when we think about lookalike products, one of the best technologies, excuse me, we have to prevent mix-ups is use of technologies like barcode scanning. One of the other inherent problems with a lot of large volume IV fluids is issues with actual readability of the barcodes by our scanners that we have in patient care settings. So oftentimes we'll see black lined barcodes on just a clear infusion bag product, and barcode scanners have a hard time reading that or picking up those barcodes. Or you'll see white lines on a black background or clear lines on a white background, and they can be very difficult for those barcode scanners to pick up. So you might have that safety mechanism in place to make sure that you're giving the correct fluid to the correct patient. However, if you're having those technological difficulties based on the product, it sort of defeats the purpose. So the recommendations that have been put out there are to have a white lined barcode on a a black lined barcode on a white background on that bag. And there's been all sorts of other difficulties as far as bag overwraps, covering up the barcodes, which makes them difficult to scan and things of that nature. So definitely the barcode readability is a big concern with a lot of these products. And then really just confusing and hard to read product information. If you look at an IV fluid bag, there's a tremendous amount of text on those bags. They're often not formatted in a way to clearly distinguish between the different types of information they're providing, the amount of solutes in each bag, and sometimes even those amount of solutes are per 100 milliliters instead of the full volume of the bag, for example, which I know has led to some types of errors in the past when calculating when we're adding things to these bags and things of that nature. So it can be very difficult to find the information clearly when you have a jumble of text. Sometimes it's all in capital letters and just not formatted in a really easy to discern way.